Good morning, everybody. This is Michael at Fouch FABS. So a lot of times I'll do full job videos, and I think Gary's been putting a few of those up. I've also got one on my phone, and I got so busy I didn't get a final video of the job after it was finished. So I will do like a closing, and there's a few little tricks on there that you can see without even seeing the whole job finished. But anyway, today we're doing this tear out, and I thought of just a little trick I can show you guys. It'll be a little quick video. So when you got a tear out and you got backsplash, of course they ran a bead of painter's caulk around here and then they paint down to it. The problem a lot of the installers, or if you hire somebody to do the demolition and take the tear out, the problem they'll run into is they'll take the razor knife and they'll cut here. They should cut here. And sometimes when they take this apart, that painter's caulk won't be cut good, and when you go to remove the top, it'll peel the paint all the way up. I've done it before myself. All my guys have done it, and you know, there ain't a lot that pisses the customer off more than when you pull their top off, you peel a big strip of their paint off all the way up. Because normally they'll get like a 4-inch backsplash or something just to cover this line where their old backsplash went. This particular home, I think they're going to go with tile, so it doesn't matter. So what I had always told my guys is to take your razor knife and you want to cut and make sure that you cut all the way through. That way when you pull it off, you have a nice clean line like this right here. Can you see that, Tony?
Mm-hmm.
You want to have a nice clean line. Of course, you got the painter's caulk, and then I'll take a square razor blade and trim that off smooth. But what I learned is multi-tools was freaking great invention. We use it all the time. So instead of using your razor knife, which you still can, you can just take this multi-tool, guys, and just run it right in the middle. And I'm not cutting the wall, guys. I'm just cutting the painter's caulk. I had already cut this. But as you can see, it's a lot faster and it's a lot less effort, and you're a lot more likely to get a full cut instead of leaving some. I'm probably going to need Tony's help removing this, but if you'll bring the phone over here. I just want to show you guys where I pulled it off. You know, it pulls off, and it's, you know, it's not tearing the paint up the wall or anything. So, you know, that's just a little trick you can use. Something that'll help you save some time on the install, help you save a little effort. Sometimes you run into things you're not expecting on the install, and you usually run into more time and more problems than you ever expect. So if there's a little trick or something that you can use to save yourself some time and effort, I want to share it with you guys and allow you guys to take advantage of that. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. If you will share this and subscribe, it'll really help me out. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.